What can I say about the Martelli block press? Well, it is one of my absolute favorite tools that I have in my studio, and I use it all the time. It is so easy to use. It is one of those things that when you start using it, you're going to find yourself always using it. It's so easy to use. All you have to do is when you're doing your ironing, you just have your block in front of you, and then you just set that block press on top of it. Once you iron your block, it's going to smooth everything out. It's going to make your seams nice and flat, and they will stay flat, because what is happening is that brown material that's on the back of our block presses, it reflects that heat right back into the fabric, and it sets those seams, and it's sort of like it's creating a memory, and it will stay flat longer. I've done projects that I have walked away from like a couple of weeks, and then still come back and they're just as flat and smooth as if I had just ironed them. And it's so easy to do. You can just layer, you can just iron and just keep stacking the blocks right on top of each other, and it will just hold them nice and flat. I cannot say enough about the Martelli block press. It has really changed the way I quilt and has made all of my projects look so much better. You're going to love it too.